Hi and welcome back to Stuff Upon Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can share your Instagram profile. Maybe you want to share your Instagram profile to your friends but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can share your Instagram profile or account on Instagram. Check the video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. After that, tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. And then once you are in here, simply you will see this share profile. Tap on this share profile. As you can see, here is a QR code. Your friends can scan this to follow you. And then just simply tap on it. And then you'll see here your share profile and copy link. You can tap on this copy link and you can paste it to any platform to send it to your friends. You can also tap on this share profile and you'll see here the option where you can share it, add it to your newsfeed, chats, and many more. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can share your Instagram profile to your friends, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can share your profile on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.